Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Language with Nisa. Today we are going to learn about some verbs which are very important for the people who are living in Israel and working as caregiver. It's very easy to understand if you know about these verbs. And today we are going to learn only about the verbs. Those words which will help you to do conversation and to understand what the another person is talking to you. So let's start. To eat, ochel. First of all, I will say you in English and then in Hebrew. To eat, ochel. To eat, ochel. To drink, listot. To drink, listot. To drink, listot. To bath, litrachet. To bath, litrachet. To bath, litrachet. To sleep, lishon. To sleep, lishon. To sleep, lishon. To cook, levashel. To cook, levashel. To clean, lenakot. To clean, lenakot. To sit, save. To sit, save. To stand, lamod. To stand, lamod. To stand, lamod. To wash, lenagev. To wipe, lenagev. To wipe, lenagev. To wash my hands. To wash my hands. Lirkhotz eta yadayim sheli. Lirkhotz eta yadayim sheli. To wash clothes. Lechavesh. To wash. It's for clothes, okay? To wash clothes. Lechavesh. To iron. Ligaetz. 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 To wake up. Leitorer. To wake up. Leitorer. To get up. Kam. To get up. Kam. To get up. Kam. To pick up. Larim. To pick up. Larim. To put down. Lorid. To put down. Lorid. To go up. Lalot. To go up. Lalot. To go down. Lered. To go down. Lered. To go down. Lered. To tell. Lagid. To tell. Lagid. To tell, lagid. To make, lashot. To make, vashot. To make, lashot. To prepare, lachin. To prepare, lachin. To prepare, lachin. To prepare, lachin. To work, lavod. To work, lavod. To work, lavod. To talk, daver. To talk, daver. To talk, daver. To open, tuach. To open, liftuach. To open, liftuach. To close, lishgor. To close, lishgor. To close, lishgor. To finish, limcho. To finish, lishgor. To finish, ligmor. To finish, ligmor. To finish, ligmor. To ask, lishol. To ask, lishol. To find, limnimcha. To find, nimcha. To find, to finish, nigmar. To finish, nigmar. To look for, lichafes. To look for, lichafes. Lie down. To lie down, liskav. To lie down, liskav. These are the words which are very important.